This broke my heart. Why? Because 17 years ago, I set out on a mission to prevent this outcome. Watch this.
You okay? What's your name?
I'm gonna tell you what.
So you didn't invest your money or nothing?
I've took care of all my family, made sure my family, their kids, everyone went to college, you know what I mean, had homes.
And they don't do nothing for you?
This is why on a weekly basis, I talk to professional athletes and I share with them what the number one reason our brotherhood or sisterhood of pros is going broke. It's not that we're spending too much or that we're throwing money away. It's that we cannot say that word, no. The biggest reason most professional athletes are falling on financial hardships today, we made it. Look at the draft parties, the rooms of people who think, because you got where you're going, I get to come along for the ride. This is the message that I get to share with these business athletes. In your first year, you get 3 names. You get 3 people that you get to say yes to. You want to come to a game, you need a hotel, you need a ticket, you need a meal, you need a little bit of help. Yes. The rest is not a no, it's a not now. It's a I've only been in this job for 6 weeks or 6 months. What does the next 6 or 60 years look like? I have to be able to think of myself as a business athlete. Businesses do not give out handouts, they give out hand-ups. They invest. If somebody comes and offers you an investment opportunity, different conversation. If they're asking for a handout, it's not now. When you get on a plane, the flight attendant says the oxygen mask is going to drop. You need to put on your oxygen mask first. Why? If you go unconscious, you cannot help anyone else. That is exactly how I teach business athletes to see their career. You have to be selfish. You have to prioritize your next 50 years because just like you heard, give, help everyone around you. And when it comes time, how much comes back? Your faith, your family, your philanthropy makes up your compassion choice. It makes up the purpose outside of yourself for your dollars. But you have to have a system in place. And perhaps most importantly, you have to have someone or personally be able to say no. If you can't do it, find somebody on your team too. But the number one reason we made it, we need to start being businesses, giving hand-ups, investments, no more handouts. Your career, too short, too much work to be able to look down the road and say, oh, if only I. That is the mission of the Business Athlete Podcast of Jedediah Collins, the fullback of finance. I want to stop seeing these stories. Keep speaking money and acting wealthy.